Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass, Mathsam. I shall explain question number 27 that has been taken from exercise 6.5 chapter 6 Maxima and Minima of NCERT 12 Mathematics. The question is, the point on the curve x square equal to 2y which is nearest to the point 0, 5 is A 2 under root, 4, B 2 under root, 0, C 0, 0, D 2, 2. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that here I shall write, let the point xy be there on the curve and the distance d is from the point xy and 0, 5. Here I shall write then the distance d equal to x1 minus f2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 का होल स्क्वायर. देन द डिस्टेंस d इक्वल टू अंडर रूट x1 माइनस f2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 का होल स्क्वायर. तो हियर implied that x1 equal to x comma y1 equal to y, x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to 5. x1 equal to x, y1 equal to y, x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to 5. This is the formula. Distance d equal to under root x1 minus f2 का whole square plus y1 minus y2 का whole square. Now what to do next? Next here I shall write small d is equal to under root. Put the value. In place of x1 I shall write x minus in place of x2 I shall write 0, x minus 0 का whole square plus in place of y1 I shall write y, y2 I shall write 5 का whole square I shall write. You will get here implied that d equal to under root x square plus y minus 5 का whole square I shall write. Implied that d equal to under root x square plus y minus 5 का whole square. You will get here write y minus 5 का whole square. Implied that d equal to under root here x square. In place of x square I shall put 2y. So here I 2y plus y minus 5 का whole square, a minus b का whole square comes out to be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly y minus 5 का whole square equal to y का square प्लस 5 का स्क्वायर, y का स्क्वायर प्लस 5 का स्क्वायर माइनस 5 multiplied to y, 5y, twice 10, 10y will get. Implies that d is equal to under root y square here plus 2y minus 10y comes out to be minus 8y plus 25 will get. This thing we have got. What to do next? Next, do the thing here in the rough work. Y square minus 8y plus 25. So here squaring, on squaring, how this quadratic equation is going to be squared. The coefficient of y, so here write coefficient of y equal to minus 8. So minus 8 over 2 will get here coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y is minus 8. Coefficient of y I have written minus 8. So minus 8 का half. Coefficient of y का half. You will get here minus 4. Minus 4 का whole square will be added and subtracted. So here I shall write y square minus 8y plus 25 plus minus 4 का whole square you will get here 16. 16 will be added and 16 will be subtracted. There will be no difference in the original value. So what to do here? Here I shall write equal to y minus 4 का whole square. Just expand this one. Y minus 4 का whole square will be expanded. You will get here y का square plus 4 का square 16 minus 4 multiply y 4y minus 8y. Twice you will get 8y. Here you will get 25 minus 16 comes out to be 9. Plus 9 I shall write here plus 9. This one you have got either plus 25 minus 16 plus 25 minus 16 will be operated. Plus 25 minus 16 will be operated. You will get here plus 9. So what will do here? Here again I shall write implied that d equal to under root y minus 4 का whole square plus 9. This thing you should write. This is the rough work. I am going to erase this one. Please note down in the rough work. It will be easier for you in order to solve this question. Please note down the thing here in the rough work. I think you have noted down in rough work. That's why I am going to erase this thing here. Now what will do is, here I shall write for minimum value of d for minimum value of d, put y equal to 4. For minimum value of d, this d distance, distance to be minimized. Here it says nearest. Nearest means minimum. Distance is going to be minimized So put y equal to 4. So put here y equal to 4. 4 minus 4 comes up to 0. 0 का whole square will get here 0. The distance will be minimum. So value of y, you have got y equal to 4. For minimum value of d, put y minus 4 का whole square equal to 0. You will get here y equal to 4. This thing you have got. The value of y you have got 4. Y equal to 4 you have got. So what to do? Now find out the value of x here. So here I shall write the equation of curve. The curve I shall write x square equal to 2y. Implied that x square equal to 2. A value of y I shall write here 4. We will get here x square equal to 8. Implied that x square equal to 4 into 2. We will get here implied that x equal to under root 4 into 2. We will get here x equal to plus minus 2 under root 2. We shall get value of x, we shall get x equal to plus minus under root 4 into 2. Under root 4 gives 2. Here under root 2 I have written. The value of x we have got plus minus under root 2. This value we have got. Hence, the required points will be plus 2, 2 under root 2, comma, value of y 4, put here 4, and value of x minus 2 under root 2, comma, 4. This will be the correct answer you have got. Hence the required points will be, at one time we shall take positive 2 under root 2, comma, a value of y put here 4. 2 under root 2, comma 4, and second time take negative sign minus 2 under root 2, comma 4. Required points we have got 2 under root 2, comma 4 and minus 2 under root 2, comma 4. This is the value we have got here. This is the correct explanation of question number 27. That has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, maximum minima, application of derivative, NCERT 12 mathematics. This is the formula, distance formula. Then the distance d is equal to under root x1 minus x2 का whole square plus y1 minus y2 का whole square. So here x1 equal to x, y1 equal to y, x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to 5 we have got. So like this question has been processed till now. Okay guys, thanks.